See, we have drawn double bond to adjacent oxygen atom. Why can't we draw the same double bond for this opposite oxygen atom? Isn't it? Here, using the same formula, we are going to find the formal charge. Welcome to Aurora Chemistry for everyone. Let us see how to write Lewis dot structure for SO4 sulfate ion. It is a polyatomic ion. To write Lewis dot structure, certain steps are there. We need to follow the steps. So see the step 1, skeletal structure. So when you draw the skeletal structure, you should see the center less electronegative atom should be present. So if you see that sulfate SO4 ion, here oxygen is highly electronegative. So less electronegative sulfur. So let us draw sulfur in the center and oxygen just around it. Let us draw. Then if you see that step 3, count valence electrons. So we go to count valence electron. Sulfur is in 16th group, oxygen family. So valence electron for both oxygen and sulfur is 6. But here you can see only one sulfur atom. So valence electron 1 into 6. So 6 plus oxygen, you see there are 4 oxygen atoms. Valence electron of oxygen also 6. So 4 into 6 plus, here you see this is a polyatomic anion, -2 charge is present. So you should add +2 here. Suppose if it is a cation, you should subtract. So we should add +2. See, add all together, you will get 32 valence electrons. 32 valence electrons are present in this polyatomic ion. Now come to step 4, single bond between all the atoms. So we go to draw single bond between all the atoms. So we go to draw single bond. Next, step 5, double or triple bond for central atom. See, double or triple bond for central atom. Why we are going to put double or triple bond means to make it octet, because atom in octet configurations are on octet configuration is very stable. So we are going to put the double or triple bond. See, how do we know that whether the central atom get double or triple bond? For that, you know that sulfur valence electron. So let us draw that electron dot structure for sulfur. So valence electron 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6 valence electrons are present. But if you see here, there are some exceptional cases there. Expanded sulfur, phosphorus, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Why expanded sulfur, phosphorus? See, sulfur is under expanded because after third period, there is the availability of d orbitals. So they can expand. Expand means they can get, they can have 8 or more than 8 electrons. So here, since sulfur comes under expanded case, sulfur can make 6 covalent bonds. Okay, how many bonds sulfur can make? 6 bonds can make. But here you see already how many bonds are here? 4 bonds are here. So how many? 2 more bonds we can draw. So let us draw 1, 2. So 2 bonds we can draw. Now come to next step. Octet for highly electronegative atom. So step 6 is octet for highly electronegative atom. Here oxygen is highly electronegative. So single bond means 2 electrons. So we need to put 2, 4, 6, 8. Same way for this oxygen also 2, 4, 6, 8. Here already double bond. So 2 plus 2, 4, 6, 8. For this also you see 2, 4. So 6, 8. Okay, so let us check that total valence electrons 32. Before checking that valence electrons, let us first see that octet configuration. See, for oxygen, octet configuration is satisfied. For this oxygen also 8 electrons. This oxygen also 8 electrons are there. Here also 8 electrons. But if you see sulfur, more than 8. But since sulfur is under expanded case, it is acceptable. So let us now go for checking valence electrons. 32 valence electrons. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32. So 32 valence electrons are present. Since this is a polyatomic anion, so we should draw this structure in bracket, and that charge is, there is the 2 minus charge, that we should write it in the topmost right side. But whether this Lewis structure is a stable structure or acceptable structure to know, we should find that formal charge. So to find the formal charge, let us see. So we can find that formal charge by using the formula. Formal charge is equal to valence electron minus lone pair plus bond pair by 2. So now we go to find that formal charge for each atom in sulfate ions. So we have given number for each atom. First let us find that for sulfur. Valence electron in sulfur 6 minus, see lone pair, how many lone pair? No lone pair in sulfur now. So 0 plus, then bond pair by 2. So how many bonds are here? 2 each, in each bond 2 electrons. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So total 12 bond pair electrons by 2. So 6. So 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. See, atom with 0 formal charge is highly preferable. So let us move to oxygen. So first oxygen. So using the same formula only we are going to find. So valence electron for oxygen also 6. Then lone pair, see here 2, 4, 6. 6 lone pairs are present. Then 6 lone pair electrons. Then after that for bond pair electrons only see 1 bond. So 2 electrons. So 2 by 2. So 2 by 2, 1. So 6 plus 1, 7. So 6 minus 7 is equal to minus 1. So for this oxygen atom, the formal charge is minus 1 only. Now come to oxygen. Second oxygen. Second oxygen, the formula is same. 6 minus lone pair, you see 2, 4. So 4 plus bond pair also 2, 4. So 4 by 2. So 2. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So the formal charge with 0 is highly preferable, isn't it? So for this second oxygen atom, the formal charge is 0. Now come to third oxygen atom. Formula is same. 6 minus this oxygen atom and this oxygen atom, both are similar in structure. So 4 lone pair electrons plus 4 bond pair electrons by 2. So you will get the same thing. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. The highly acceptable. Now come to last oxygen atom, fourth one. Fourth one and the first one is similar. So 6 minus, how many lone pairs? See, 6 lone pair electrons plus bond pair only 2. So 2 by 2, that is 1. So 6 plus 1, 7. So 6 minus 7 is equal to minus 1. So for this oxygen atom, the formal charge is minus 1. So for this sulfur also, formal charge is 0. So this is the one with formal charge. Here you can see negative formal charge is in adjacent atom. Any other possibility of Lewis structure is there? So let us see, because sulfur can make 6 covalent bonds. So instead of adjacent double bonds, now we try to make opposite double bond. So here, I think remaining all the things is same. Now we give octet configuration for highly electronegative atom. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Same here, 4, 6, 8. Here also 8. Then here already 4, 8. So now this is polyatomic anion. So we enclose with brackets and we will write same structure only. Okay. Now we go to find the formal charge for this kind. Here, using the same formula, we are going to find the formal charge. So here you can see double bond is in the opposite side. So sulfur, valence electron 6 minus lone pair, no lone pair, plus bond pair 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So 12 by 2. So that gives 6. So 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So formal charge of sulfur 0. Then come to first oxygen. Here this is the first oxygen. So valence electron 6 only. Then lone pair 2, 4. Then bond pair you see 4 only. So 4 by 2. You will get 2. So 4 plus 2, 6. So 6 minus 6, that is also 0. So for the first oxygen atom, the formal charge is 0. Okay. Now come to second oxygen. Second oxygen is this one. So valence electron 6 minus, how many lone pair you see? 2, 4, 6. 6 lone pair plus bond pair only 2. 2 by 2. 6 plus 1, 7. 6 minus 7, that is equal to minus 1. So for the second oxygen, formal charge is minus 1. Come to third oxygen. 6 valence electron, then lone pair 2, 4 plus bond pair also 2, 4. 4 by 2. So you will get 6. 6 minus 6, that is equal to 0. So for the third oxygen atom, the formal charge is 0. Now come to the final oxygen, fourth oxygen. 6 minus lone pair 2, 4, 6 plus bond pair only 2 by 2. So 6 plus 1, 7. So 6 minus 7 is equal to minus 1. So formal charge minus 1. So let us write that this formal charge in this Lewis structure. So sulfur formal charge is 0. Then here minus 1. Then here also minus 1. For this terminal oxygen 0, 0. But according to guidelines, negative formal charge on opposite atom is highly preferable. So compared to this Lewis structure is the best Lewis structure. So this is the best Lewis dot structure of SO4 2- sulfate ion. Thanks for watching.